What is going on, my individuals? Drexler here. How you guys doing? Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. Today I have 35 hairstyles that you will be seeing in 2019. Now check it out. Before I jump into this video, I do want to mention that today is Cyber Monday. So for all of my individuals that wants to cop some Indie Vigi merch, you can do so today and get 30% off your entire order. Also, all t-shirts come with a free key strap, and you also get a postcard signed by yours truly. And on top of that, for anybody who signs up to the newsletter, gets a free individual's ebook written by myself. So be sure to jump on that sale. Ow. Now, some of the hairstyles that you see in today's video have definitely been rising in popularity over the last couple years or so, and they will definitely be rolling over into 2019. And some of the other hairstyles that you see today, you won't be seeing until a little later on in the year. So with that said, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. First up, we have the slick swept hairstyle with a disconnected zero fade and hard part. Yes, you will definitely have to keep up with this hairstyle very often. However, the time and money that you spend at the barbershop will absolutely pay off on this look. Number two, we have the lineup Buzzcut. Now, you probably can't get more masculine and more stylish than this. I mean, this has always been one of my favorite looks and one that a lot of women will really go for. Number three, we have the natural French crop fringe with a side design. Now, most French crops are really straight and perfectly defined. However, this look has a little bit of a more natural feel to it. Number four, we have the side part slick back with a fade. This is my personal favorite look, and as you can see, Stephen James is actually rocking this look as well. It's got a classic vibe, yet it still feels very modern due to the shape of the cut. By the way, for those of you who want to try out any of these hairstyles that you see today, I highly recommend a high quality premium product that is designed to give you all day lasting hold and that also has really healthy ingredients so that way you can maintain the overall health of your hair. Because having dry, brittle, damaged hair is definitely a look that nobody wants to go for. That's why we created Ocean Clay by Shavu. Not only does it give you amazing hold, but it also works like a hair mask. By the way, because it is Cyber Monday right now at Shavu, we have an amazing deal going on for you guys. It's 15% off plus free US shipping. So if you guys want to take your hair game to the next level, be sure to jump on this sale ASAP before it all ends and you gotta wait till next year. Alright, now moving on, number five, we have the modern side part. Now, this, in my opinion, will never go out of style. It will look great on pretty much anyone. Honestly, it's a look that you can never go wrong with, especially the dating scene. Number six, low skin taper Mohawk. To me, this is a great look for my young dudes. It will keep you looking masculine, sharp, edgy, all at the same time. Number seven, we have tapered messy spikes. For anyone looking to start a modeling career or that just wanna, have that model look, period, this is perfect. It shows that you've got mad style, yet that you don't take your hair that serious. Number eight, right here we have a clean side swept hard part. From my classic gentleman, in my opinion, this is your go-to look in 2019. Number nine, we have a braided man bun with a skin fade. As we've seen in the last couple of years, especially with athletes, this has definitely been rising in popularity, and this is actually one that I would recommend for dudes with wavy hair and really nice hairlines. Number 10, now for my long hair dudes, keep it messy. I mean, I've said it before, if you're a dude with long hair, I highly recommend to keep it far from looking pretty and perfect. Throw some product in there, mess it up a little bit, and like you see here, try growing out your beard a little bit for that, Jason Momoa look. Number 11, we have a skin fade hard part Pompadour. This is a crazy look that is definitely gaining some gnarly traction right now. As you can see, you got the classic pomp on top, and then you got a sleek high skin fade with the hard part set a little bit lower before the sides actually meet the top. Definitely next level for sure. Number 12, we have the Caesar inspired crop. I'm sure you guys have been seeing this one a little bit more lately, and honestly, I don't see it going anywhere anytime soon. I don't think it'll last forever. However, I do think it is a cool look to go for in 2019. Number 13, we have a medium length messy hairstyle. Now, a lot of dudes in the recent years have went from nice tapered sides to that more natural looking long hair, and this is yet another look that you cannot go wrong with. Maybe trim up the beard a little bit, but overall those longer locks like you see see here definitely give off a nice beachy style. Number 14, now for anybody who wants something just short and simple, go for the short side part. It will probably take you less than a minute to actually blow dry your hair and style it in place. However, you will definitely walk out of your house feeling handsome and just ready to take on your day. Number 15, another one for my short hair dudes, and this is the high skin taper with messy waves on top. Now, if you don't have wavy hair, much like myself, I would suggest using a sea salt spray before you go ahead and blow dry your hair, and then use a clay-based product much like ocean clay. This will definitely give you that natural wavy look. Now that we are halfway through the video, I do want to go ahead and mention very briefly to go ahead and check out the Activating Oil Cleanser by Shavu. It's time. It's 2019, you guys. It is time to revolutionize the hair game. The Activating Oil Cleanser works like a shampoo, except it doesn't have the damaging side effects that most shampoos cause. I'm only saying this because we have that huge sale going on, so again, be sure to check that out right now. I'll put it down in the description below for you guys. Number 16, the Messy Short Quiff with a high taper. Now this cut is crazy sick and super modern. For any of you that are looking for something new, edgy, and sexy, this is it, simple as that. 17, we have the Undercut cornrows. Now, this to me is one of the sickest looks, period. It's fresh, modern, and adds crazy style. Also, a great look that a lot of athletes are going for right now at the moment. 18 is the Messy Quiff. Now, this is a great look because it does not take much maintenance at all. You don't even have to go to the barbershop every 4 to 5 weeks. In my opinion, I mean, it has a natural feel to it, as you guys can see here, and you know, it just looks very laid back, cool, and chill. Number 19, this one is crazy. Right here we got a high messy pump with a medium skin taper and a high blend. Now, I would definitely suggest going to a barber that knows what he or she is doing. Mainly because it is a little bit more complex when you actually look at it, especially since it has disconnected sides more near the front, but then it neatly blends in towards the back, making the blend very high. It's almost like a crazy hybrid hairstyle. Next up, we have my personal favorite cropped look, and this is the disconnected textured French crop. Now, I know there's a lot going on, however, this has 2019 written all over it. The sides are disconnected, as you guys can see, and it has a huge hard part. However, the back does blend in very nicely to give it a nice hybrid feel. Number 21, the textured comb over. Now, this is such a great look for those of you who are not asking for too much attention. However, you're also not asking for none. Number 22, we have the Kill Monger. Now, of course, since Michael B. Jordan rocked this look in Black Panther, the rise in popularity has been very significant, and of course, it's just such a dope hairstyle, and it's gonna make you stand out, and it will definitely show that you've got mad style. Moving on, number 23. Now, I get a lot of comments from dudes with curly hair asking me, you know, what should I do? What should I do with this curly hair of mine? And this is my answer right here. This curly undercut with a skin fade. It's not a very complicated look, however, it's got crazy style that's just gonna make you stand out above the rest. 24, now lineups are becoming more and more popular in this day and age, and so with that said, a voluminous textured quiff like this one here with a front lineup will have you looking on point. Number 25, the Textured Fringe with a low taper. This is a pretty modern look. I would only really suggest it for like younger dudes with curly hair, or if you're like a musician or something, or if you just like the hairstyle and you don't give a crap about what I say. I mean, that's cool too, then just rock it anyways. Number 26 is the swept back side part. This is a classic flawless look that you cannot go wrong with. And on top of that, it will show off your bone structure really nicely and give you that nice chiseled look. Number 27, the braided skin taper with a pompadour. Now, going for that edgy, classic hybrid such as this has definitely made its way through 2018, and you will definitely see it gaining some more traction in the upcoming year ahead. So go ahead, give this one a try it out yourself, and you know, the worst that could happen is that you don't like it and you just unbraid it. So the risk isn't really that high. Number 28, we have the low skin fade with a long wavy quiff. For anyone looking to elongate their face a little bit, this is definitely a look and an amazing choice that you'll definitely want to go for. Number 29. This one's sick, I love this one. This is the faded hard part pompadour. This right here is an amazing edgy look that still grasps that classic vibe. I'm really feeling this one myself. 30, the slicked back high fade. Now for any of you that want something very masculine yet still very clean at the same time, I would definitely give this bad boy a go. 32, we have the slightly messy side part with a lineup. Now this look will really give off that edgy yet classy vibe that just showcases, you know, crazy mad style. However, also indicating that you don't need to look in the mirror every 2 minutes to check up on your hair to see if you look good. You already know that you look good. Number 33 for my wavy haired bros, my broskies. We got these slicked back waves with the skin fade. This is simply an edgy yet very handsome look to go for. Definitely one of my favorites of today's video. Number 34, we got a hybrid. We got a hybrid for sure. This is pretty much two looks in one. You got a cropped front, and then you also got a textured bang, who are having a hard time trying to work out an agreement. I'm not feeling it, however, it is something that is unique and definitely worth mentioning. Number 35, now these two right here are quite similar. They both have nice skin tapers on the side. However, one is just slightly a little longer on top. Also, I really dig the tattoos that are coming through on the side of the head in the first picture. In my opinion, it's just such a dope look. So I hope you guys dug the hairstyles in today's video. Let me know what you guys think of them and if you guys are gonna be rocking any of them in 2019. Now, before I finish up this video, I do wanna talk today about today's motivational message of the day. And this is actually something that I talked about on my Instagram a couple weeks ago. And I said, if I were to ask you, where do you want to be at in 5 to 10 years? What would that look like? Maybe for some of you, you want to be in the best shape of your life. Maybe some of you want to have better eating habits. Maybe it's something a little bigger that you want, like owning your own business or finishing school and working at your dream job. Now, all these things are great. However, if I were to ask you now, where do you expect to be at in 5 to 10 years? What would that look like? Because wanting something and expecting something is two completely different things. If you want to live a bigger life, then you have to raise your expectations. You gotta literally convince yourself and convince your mind that you deserve this, that you deserve that dream job, that you deserve to have the best body and to have the best physique of your life. Because at the end of the day, your expectations determine what is possible in your life. So with that said, I'm gonna finish on this note, and that is to raise your expectations for yourself. You have to get rid of all of the reasons why you can't do something and instead focus on all the reasons why you can. So I hope you guys got a little something from that. Now, before I head out, of course, it is time for the individuals inner circle shout outs, and I apologize if I say some of these names wrong, you guys. I'm not used to these names. I mean, they're just so dope and so unique. So first up we have Byman or Bman. Next up we have Kevin, and last up we have Usman. Just want to say thank you guys so much for all of your crazy love and support that you show me all the freaking time every single day. It means the world to me. And yeah, if you guys dug this video, please give it a nice big thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and be sure to hit that notifications button to be informed when I drop my next video. And I will see you guys very soon. My name is Drexler. Shaka.